Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove watermark from your video, but I recommend you to go to this website or visit this website. I'm going to open it and then we're going to upload our video here. I'm going to click on open file and then we can choose a video we want to remove watermark from, and this is the video. I'm going to click on open and then we can select the watermark area like this. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then you can click on apply. Okay, and now the watermark has been removed from my video, and if you want to download the video, we can click on save and the video will be saved to our device. Here you can choose the resolution and also the format and just click on export. I'm going to select export. Okay, and just wait for a moment and don't forget to click on save. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!